All elements are grouped into three sections called metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Each one of them has their own distinct characteristics except for metalloids, which has a combination of both. Metals have distinct characteristics such as being shiny and highly conductive. They are also malleable, which means they can be flattened into a thin sheet, and it is ductile, which means it can be drawn out into a thin wire. Nonmetals are the exact opposite. They are poor conductors and dull in appearance, and are not malleable or ductile. They also have low melting points and are brittle. Metalloids are a combination of both. They are semiconductors and can be dull and shiny and are semi-malleable and ductile. This is a table showing all metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. The metals are indicated in red. Some examples of metals are lithium and beryllium, magnesium, and potassium. Metalloids are indicated in the yellow. On a periodic table, they are usually by the indicated stair step that splits them from metals and nonmetals. Examples of it would be boron and silicon. Some examples of nonmetals, which are indicated in blue, would be hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Here is a similar table. I'm going to give you an element and you're going to decide if it is a metal, nonmetal, or metalloid. What is bromine? Take a moment to pause the video and answer this question. If you said that bromine was a nonmetal, then you were correct. Some other nonmetals would be phosphorus, chlorine, argon, krypton, and xenon. Easy ways to remember where metals, nonmetals, and metalloids are is to look at the stair step on the periodic table. Typically, the elements around the stair step are going to be metalloids. The things next to the metalloids on the left-hand side will be metals. Above that is going to be nonmetals. And always remember that hydrogen is a nonmetal.